Are you getting enough calcium to keep your bones strong and healthy? Calcium is crucial for maintaining healthy bones, but many people, especially vegans, struggle to get enough. Without sufficient calcium, your bones can become weak and brittle, leading to conditions like osteoporosis. So, how much calcium do you actually need each day? For adults, the recommended daily intake ranges from 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams. Meeting this requirement is essential for preventing dietary deficiencies and maintaining good bone health. Vegans have a variety of plant-based calcium sources to choose from. Leafy green vegetables like kale and bok choy are excellent options. These greens are not only rich in calcium but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Fortified plant milks, such as almond, soy, and oat milk, are also great sources. These milks can provide as much calcium as cow's milk, catering to various dietary preferences. Fortified tofu is another versatile and calcium-rich food for vegans. It can be added to smoothies, stir-fries, and salads, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. Nuts and seeds, like almonds and chia seeds, are also excellent sources of calcium. Incorporating these into your diet is easy and beneficial for overall wellness. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are rich in calcium and protein. They can be added to a variety of meals, from soups to salads, boosting your calcium intake. But what if you need a little extra help meeting your calcium needs? Calcium supplements can be a great option, especially for those at risk of osteoporosis. When choosing a supplement, look for one that includes calcium carbonate or calcium citrate. These forms of calcium are highly absorbable and effective. Vitamin D is also crucial for calcium absorption, so make sure your supplement includes it. Other essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin K2 can further enhance calcium utilization. Garden of Life Vitamin Code Raw Calcium is a top choice, offering whole food ingredients and high bioavailability. Dava Vegan Calcium Magnesium Plus provides a balanced combination of calcium and magnesium. Now Foods Calcium Citrate is ideal for those with digestive issues, offering gentle absorption. Solgar Calcium Magnesium Plus Zinc supports overall bone health with a comprehensive nutrient blend. Caltrate Gummy Bites offer a fun and tasty way to meet your calcium needs. However, be mindful of their sugar content and lower calcium levels compared to other supplements. Choosing the right calcium supplement depends on your individual dietary needs and health goals. Regular monitoring of your calcium intake is crucial to avoid deficiencies and maintain bone health. Stay strong and healthy by ensuring you get enough calcium every day.